the hiccups? Do you still have the hiccups, Alex? I can't believe it. I can't believe you have it. The hiccups. What are you doing? You playing games on Grandma? You gonna tell me? Tell me. Tell me all about it. Do you have a message you want to tell anyone? Yeah. Yeah. We're doing this for Mommy. We're doing this for Mommy. Help the baby! Help the baby! You ticklish, aren't you? Tickly, tick, tick, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Gonna talk to me? You just love this, don't you? Come here, come here. Turn your head this way. Come on. Alex, over here. Alex. Bueno.